NSUN AGM 2020. The National Survivor User Network's annual members event and AGM is being held online on the 24th and 25th of November 2020. For our AGM this year, we're spotlighting some of our membership organisations that make the network what it is. Arts and Health Hub.
Hi, I'm Daniel Reagan and I'm a photographic artist and the founder of the Arts and Health Hub network. I came into photography as a young person when I was experiencing my own mental health difficulties. I was given a camera by my grandfather at about the age of 12 and that coincided with the onset of my own mental health problems. As a young person, I picked up my camera and learned that it could be a way for me to navigate some of those challenges and understand them better. And photography for me became a way to express myself and work through things in my life. And now I've gone on to work in multiple roles across the arts and health sector. So I now work as a freelance artist, mainly on mental health projects, working with charities and lots of community organisations. And I also run an arts and health charity called the Free Space Project, which is a charity supporting arts and community initiatives within Kentish Town Health Centre, working in partnership with the James Wigg GP practice. And then thirdly, I run the Arts and Health Hub, which is a supportive, non-competitive network for artists that are interested in or working in the arts and health sector. And a number of those artists, there's 700 members now, also have lived experience of mental health difficulties.
NSUN Support.
The project that's being supported by the National Survivor User Network is called the Support Hub, and it will mean that 12 to 15 artists will meet over a 6-month period, currently virtually, to share their sort of difficulties within their practice and be supported both by myself and Jessica Mitchell, who's an artist and integrative psychotherapist. We'll be meeting monthly and having peer groups where we share our own difficulties but really think about how we can support each other. I'm really grateful to have the opportunity to run this project. It will start in December and run for 6 months, and something that's been really fantastic that's come out of the funding for this project is that we've received an additional £15,000 to expand the menu of support that will be available to artists. So from this first project, which is supporting artists with lived experience, in the second part of the project I'll be supporting artists who work in quite stressful and demanding settings, so perhaps in hospitals and care homes, to help support them with clinical supervision so that they can do their jobs to the best of their ability. And then the third part of the project is offering one-to-one mentoring for artists, and that might be early career artists who want to work in participatory arts and have lived experience, but have questions around how to navigate that, and they can be matched with an artist that's more advanced in their career.
More about the Arts and Health Hub.
The main principles of the Arts and Health Hub network is to connect, learn and share. We're a non-competitive and supportive network which really aims at lifting one another up. The more that we share, the more that we all have, and the more that we all have, then the more access to opportunities we have. When people register, they commit to an ongoing offering of themselves and supporting other people in a reciprocated way.
www.undergroundlights.org. You can find out more about the National Survivor User Network at www.nsun.org.uk. You can visit the dedicated AGM microsite at www.nsunagm2020.com to view the full schedule of our members' event, register if you haven't already, and have a look at our members' creative exhibition of artwork and poetry. We are a membership organisation for survivors of mental ill health, distress and trauma, as well as user-led groups, and our event aims to bring everyone together with talks, panels and discussion sessions on top of our usual formal AGM business, where members can have a say on how NSUN is run. Feel free to use the tag NSUN AGM 2020 to join the conversation on social media.